In this virtual music class, we'll be learning how to create our own musical sound maps. Music tells us stories. I'm not talking about lyrics. I'm talking about the images painted in our minds when we hear music, and each of us see music in very different ways. Kind of like snowflakes. Let's perform a musical experiment with 3 different pieces of instrumental music. We'll close our eyes and listen, then give ourselves permission to imagine. The music will spark ideas and emotions, then we'll draw them while we listen. Get a piece of paper and anything you'd like to draw or color with while I give you some tips. First tip, this is a quick exercise, it's not about being perfect. Second tip, draw what you see in your mind or draw how it makes you feel. And a third tip, this is for you, no one is judging what you draw. Some of us may see images of people and things, and some of us may see shapes or designs. Others may see 1 or more colors. Or you may see lines or outlines of ideas popping in and out of your brain. Whatever you see, it's what you see. Put it on the paper. Here's the first song. You have 2 minutes and there's no need to stop the video. Ready? Great, first song is done. Take a look at what you did. And get a second piece of paper ready for the next song. The second song will be the same style of music, but somehow different. Clear your mind from the first song, that's important. Now here comes the second song. You'll have another 2 minutes. Here we go. Great work! How did you do? Is it just a little bit easier now? Now just get one more piece of paper ready. Our final song will be a different style of music. Now clear your mind just one more time. Here's our final song. You'll have 2 more minutes. Here we go. That's it. You're all done. Now take a look at all 3 of your drawings. Are they the same or are they a little bit different? Whatever they are, be proud of them. They're pictures from your mind. Now, if you're completing this for an online music class, here's how you can submit your work. Put all 3 pieces of paper next to each other on a flat surface. Then take a picture of them all and submit the pic as your assignment. And if you did it just for fun at home, I think they'll look great on your fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of the classes coming at you next.